NYC.
JT. I don't wanna hear it, ain't talking the bag. I cover my ears, I hop in the lamb, I'm switching the gears. My bitches is ballin', make these niggas.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to our channel. Today, right now, we're going to dinner. Why? Because it's Christina's birthday. So let's get active, little bitch.
Active, little baby. I get active on mine, little baby.
Get active on mine, little baby.
Hi. You have it.
No, your power bank in here.
Oh.
I use my one.
No, with mine.
Buddha bye, Buddha bye. I need to wash my feet. My feet are white.
You got your mask?
Yeah, it's in my pocket.
Well, wish on it.
Ray, happy birthday.
Thank you.
To you.
What?
So like outfit of the day. So we have dress from I don't know where.
What's the store name again? What?
Urban something in Havre.
And my jewelries are from
Shy Girl
Girls
Accessories.
Accessories, of course, and my bag. And my shoes, my heel is and my anklet is from Shy Girls Accessories. And my hair and makeup was done by All Eyes and Indie.
Yeah.
Check them.
Check them.
Yes.
You ready to get drunk?
No.
What?
I can't drink.
Why?
Because,
I want you to drink and drunk. My ass stumble at coming.
I'm a bit feel bad.
Why?
And having hangover is not a good thing.
Not that great. But that doesn't matter because it's your birthday. Right, Peeper?
Yes, sir.
Say happy birthday, Christina, in the comments.
Okay, and guys, I would like for y'all to go and subscribe to my channel.
Yes.
My channel name is Tina's channel. So you can do that quick and fast. And
Christina, what was the person? No one can see under you, Christina, huh?
yeah, no, I'm bottom kind of big.
Okay, some up here. That is full. Okay, so we got here late. It's something after 9. So it's 9. Say 9 o'clock. We got here late and the kitchen closes early. Closes at 9 because of coronavirus. So we're just gonna get some drinks and then get to the kitchen, take it, and then cut. I have Thank you.
So guys, we're leaving now and we're gonna get something to eat because we're playing, so we're gonna get drinks. So after we get something to eat, we'll probably go to a party and then get coffee.
We came to the AC Hotel to take a quick photo shoot.
Okay, so it's next day.
Ooh, go on, you.
So we're that's not doing no work. So right now we're getting ready to go to brunch.
So guys, we're going to a brunch and we're late. Like, yeah. Shout out to all eyes on Indy for doing my makeup and slaying my hair, and shout out to Quasar Clothing for my lit outfit and video. Sorry, what?
I'll wait on you. Porch. Let's go. Yeah, my slippers on my feet probably. Yeah. So yeah, we're here. Guys, we're the first ones here. I don't know how much it is. I'm just told to come here. So yeah. Nobody got time for that. You did.
So we
say it again. You did.
So we left, and plus their menu. So
it's like
big Sunday. Got them hungry. I mean, well, Sunday dinner's cooked in my yard. Trust that.
Right, mutton, fish, chicken, everything cooked.
Got them have personal chefs. Yeah, but the birthday girl that I'm responsible for, okay, says that's not making it, okay? And anything Chrissy says, it's Chrissy's. They drink, taste water.
Yeah.
What they want from their menu, no ready of that. So we went somewhere else.
Like, okay, listen. So I have experienced a lot of mimosas and sangrias and bellinis, and baby, they do not have it there. That place, it not make it. Oh no, need to get a new bartender when no offer actually make them some of that.
Made this parking lot.
Because it was not ready at all. Hey, where Chrissy works, baby. Period, son. To living room. Why does everyone say this is Spice's place?
It is Spice's place.
Spice made this?
I think so. Stay in the comments if it's open.
So she's gonna check if it's open, cause bad man hungry. If with this not want me, I said TGI Friday.
Today is Sunday actually.
She's so ugly, like go!
Hey, watch your yawa.
Right? Hey, watch your jaw jump, sir.
It's open!
Bumby, cause chicken and beer. Food I got your man jiggle up here. Yeah! Shout out Spice for the ones and twos, man. I'm an artist, you know. So I have to go support our place, living room, half a tree, there. Bow! Sing! What she mean? She mean what she said. No.
So what to do? I say suck in more, must I?
This is just poke.
What your birthday?
Listen. One thing in I'm with, I'm a belly. I'm hungry. I'm grimy. I'm grimy straight brawling. Grimy and brawling. Hey, I'm grimy and brawling. I'm grimy and brawling. Got the bitches on my thing, grimy and calling. I'm gonna become a rapper, guys. But I wanna become a Jamaican rapper. So an artist, you idiot, girl. But no, I mean like a Jamaican rapper. Like I rap, even though dancehall is kind of rapping, but like not really, because it's its own genre, people. But honestly, I want to become a Jamaican artist, but a rapper. So I want to be like, yo, someone come out brawling, got the garland, but the talent. So I might as well just be a dancehall artist, because that's really what they do, you know. But you know, like dancehall or reggae and all them, so they made hip hop. So go back on the roots, so I become a dancehall artist. That I mean, yeah. I don't know if I told you guys, but right now we are at Living Room. They told me that it's Spice's business place or whatever. So we're at Living Room in Halfway Tree. We're about to go eat some lunch. I'm hungry. I want seafood, I want crab, I want lobster, I want all those things, that pasta, I don't care, I want papa, I want I want tata. Okay, anyways, I'm getting hot now. She told me to come here like that. She gotta be talking to me.
Okay guys, so right now, okay, I want a mango daiquiri with rum. She wants a mango daiquiri, no alcohol. Yep. Okay, so right now we are at Living Room. Yo, you don't see how Jessica didn't know how me? Anyways, so right now we're at Living Room. So right now we're at Living Room. It's located in Halfway Tree. I know, okay, you guys might know it from Spice. I think this is Spice's restaurant, if I'm not mistaken. So we're here. Guys. So we're here. So yeah. Whoa. Okay, so people, this is indecisive. This appetizer is indecisive at its best.
I'm not indecisive. She are indecisive. They cannot pick A or B. Me I pick A and stick with it every day. Yeah.
That's a cap. That's a big cap. We're gonna drink our drinks. We already ordered drinks. We're gonna drink our drinks, pay for our drinks, and then go to a TGI. Thank you. Oh, this is nachos? Yeah.